What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for joining me on this very special but to the point video. Today, we will be discussing what we discuss every day, Pinky. Not trying to take over the world, but making money online. That's all we do. Make money online. Right? This method allows you to earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. Now, this company is called My Points, and it's one of those companies that isn't necessarily as popular as places like Swagbucks and these other companies, and so there is not as much competition. But to be honest, you're not really in any competition with anybody. All you're doing is doing your shopping as you normally would and getting up to 40% cash back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. Can you believe that? How many people knew you could get cash back from Amazon? Okay? Now, you can get a $10 gift card as a welcome bonus, either an Amazon gift card or a $10 Visa gift card when you sign up. You simply enter your email address, create a password, click join now if you agree to the terms of use and privacy policies. Okay? So, it works at your favorite stores. And remember, I did say 2,000 very well known places. Okay, so you can find the latest sales online and you can actually go to these physical locations and then buy and earn points when you purchase. Now, you earn points on every dollar you spend, so you follow their links and let the shopping begin. Points will be added to your account when your order is reported to us. So download your score so you never miss a deal. Get alerts in your browser for point earning opportunities and coupon codes when you shop online. Okay? You can actually come here to find coupon codes for your favorite online stores. Okay? So, whenever you're in a region where this is applicable, you will see coupon codes for your favorite online stores. You can also get paid to answer surveys. You earn points when you share your opinion by completing online surveys, share your interests, and buying habits with leading brands and merchants. And at this point, I'm going to stick a pin. These are just roughly 9 of the 2,000 companies that you can earn cash back from. And the reason this is powerful is because, well, companies are fighting over your information. Why are they fighting for your information? Well, the truth is we are in an information age, and each manufacturer, supplier, software as a service company, they want to know the habits of their users, of potential users, of people around potential users. They want to know your demographic. They want to know where you're from. They want to know your buying patterns, your spending habits, what your interests are, your hobbies. They want to know all these details about you. And that is why, if you follow the tech industry, you may have heard that Apple is trying to block Facebook from their systems, because Facebook is actually, from what they're saying, Facebook is gathering people's information as they're using these various apps, as they're using their phones, and they want people to protect their privacy. Okay? Because Facebook uses this data to exchange for cash. People pay Facebook millions of dollars to get information on people that they're interested in, so that they can make the best product, so that they can make the best service, so that they can target people effectively to make money. All right? I'm not trying to scare you, but the fact is they want your information. So, if you freely give your information, not when I say give your information, I'm not talking top secret information like your social security number or anything like that. But when you share how you feel about a product, or how often you visit a certain store, or what you like about the store, stuff like that, then you are able to be paid. Okay? You can cash out your points whenever you want for your favorite gift card or get a transfer to your PayPal account. Money. So here are some of the top stores that people actually use my points for: TGI Fridays, My Place Rewards, Olive Gardens, Longhorn Steakhouse, Ultimate Rewards, Burger King, Sephora Beauty Insider, Walmart, right? My Red Lobster, Chili's, Amazon Prime, CVS Extra Bucks, Domino's Pizza, Google Play Rewards, Groupon, Home Depot Pro Extra, Jiffy Lube, Kohl's, Milo's, Nike, Old Navy, PayPal, Petco, QVC, Red Robin, QVC, yes, the TV show. You can get points from buying on QVC through this. Safeway, Staples, Visa, iTunes, Target, Burlington Coat Factory, Texas Roadhouse, AEO Connected, Cracker Barrel, Applebee's, the Cheesecake Factory, yum, World Winner, Buffalo Wild Wings, United, Mileage Plus, and so many more. So you can join my points for free and get a $10 bonus today. Okay? And you simply just hit the join now button, that big red button there on your screen. If you are colorblind, I got you. I got you. Watch this. You may not be able to see the color, but you can see that circle. All right. Press. Okay. Press this. Press that to sign up. All right. So that's it. My points. A lot of other companies are very popular. What happens is the more popular they are, they're able to give you less points per product. The lesser known ones are trying to get their names out there, so they're willing to give you more incentive for your information. My Points is one such company. Check them out. Let me know in the comment section what your experience is like. I would be glad to hear from you. But this won't make you rich. If you want a better chance at doing that, check the first link in the description below. This teaches you how to build your own online business from scratch in as little as a few days, few weeks, and be able to scale it to 5 figures, 6 figures in a matter of months, weeks. And this is not a promise, but it's dependent on the amount of effort you put into this. Okay, gang? So check that out. Let me know what your experience has been with My Points. And let me know what other money-making activities you've tried that has made you money online. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.